Description: in this video, we provide a comprehensive guide on the care your vehicle needs, whether you've recently acquired it or have had it for some time. From simple maintenance tasks to more technical aspects, we cover everything you need to know to ensure your car's proper functioning and durability. Content: Introduction to the importance of vehicle maintenance, explains why it's crucial to properly care for your vehicle and how regular maintenance can save you time, money, and long-term worries. Oil and filter changes details the importance of regularly changing the engine oil and air and oil filters to keep the engine in optimal condition and extend its lifespan. Tire inspection explores the importance of maintaining properly inflated tires, checking tread depth, and rotating them periodically to ensure safe and efficient handling. Brake system analyzes the need to regularly inspect the brake system, including pads, discs, and brake fluid, to ensure effective braking and prevent accidents. Cooling system explains how to maintain the cooling system in good condition, including checking the level and quality of coolant, as well as inspecting hoses and radiator. Lights and signals inspection highlights the importance of regularly checking all vehicle lights, including headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights, to ensure visibility and road safety. Battery maintenance provides tips on caring for the car battery, including cleaning terminals, checking electrolyte levels, and inspecting signs of deterioration. Fluid inspection details the importance of regularly checking power steering fluid, transmission fluid, brake fluid, and hydraulic steering fluid levels to ensure proper system operation. Exterior and interior protection offers advice on how to protect the vehicle's paint through regular washing and waxing, as well as interior care, including upholstery cleaning and protection against wear. Tips for safe driving concludes the video with practical tips for safe and efficient driving, including observing traffic rules, respecting speed limits, and anticipating road risk situations. With this comprehensive guide to caring for your vehicle, you'll be equipped with all the necessary knowledge to keep your car in optimal condition and enjoy a safe and worry-free journey.